Hello, I'm Monica. Finally, we have a new version of our favorite IDE for OpenXava. And I'm pleased to show you what's new in our brilliant OpenXava Studio 7 R3. Let's get started. At first glance, our new OpenXava Studio is the same as the previous one. But no. There is a subtle difference. When pressing to create a new project, we find a new field, template. When opening it, we see several templates that we can use as a base when creating our new project, such as Basic, Master Detail, CRM, or Project Management. Let's try one, for example, Project Management. We choose English as the language, then we enter our project name, MyTracker, and we change the package, my company. We press Finish and our OpenXava project management application is ready. We open the folder with the source code of our project, where we see that there are several packages already created. Let's examine the model package, where we can see a group of entities already created that are the basis of our application. We also have a calculators package with a couple of calculators, and even an action. The best thing is that the application is ready to run. Let's test it. We wait for it to start. And finally we copy the URL that the console shows in our browser. And this is what appears in our browser. On the identification page, we enter admin as the user and admin as the password. Upon entering, we see that we already have available the typical modules of a project management application. Even many of these modules already have some initial data, useful for doing the first tests. Let's try creating an issue. We press on Issues. We enter the title of the issue, the type, the description. We assign it to a plan. A plan is the association between a worker and a period. We see how we can attach files, if we wanted to. And we also have a discussion thread. Let's add a comment. We have our issue ready. Let's save it. We press the Save button and then we go back to the list, where we can see our newly recorded issue. If we go to the Plans module, we can see our issue there too. We choose the plan and here we have the issue. In the plan we can move the order, create issues, etc. As you can see, without having to write a line of code or configure anything, we have a project management application ready to use. Also, if it does not fit your needs, you have the source code to adapt or expand it to your liking. Before we continue, let's delete the issue we created. But there's more. This project includes the code for automatic tests. We open src, test, Java to see a few classes with JUnit tests. We open issue test, for example, and we can take a look at what the code looks like to do automatic tests of an OpenXava module. Running the tests is very simple. With the right mouse button on the project, we go to Run As and choose the JUnit test option. Now all the JUnit tests that exist in the project are running. The automatic tests of OpenXava use a web browser without a graphical interface to execute the OpenXava modules, exactly as a user would with a real browser. Step by step it checks that everything is working as expected. I advise you to carefully examine the source code of these tests because it will help you learn to do automatic tests for your own applications. Fantastic! It came out green. There is still to see the templates for Master Detail and the CRM. I invite you to install the new OpenXava Studio and try them out for yourselves. You can download the new OpenXava Studio 7 R3 in the official announcement at openxava.org, where you have the download links and installation instructions. Bye.